cream boat there. The cream boat just here.
Yeah.
That's flat. Oh. Drop you off across there.
Hi everyone, this is Öykü from Turkey. I work at United Nations and I came here for a short assignment, work-related assignment, and I wanted to join Internations to have a small city tour with our local ambassador. And it was nice meeting Mel and David here, and they seem to have a channel on Hawaii, which I'm looking forward to see.
Good.
Nice to meet you all.
Okay.
Thank you.
We look forward to our trip with you.
Yeah. Thanks.
Oh.
Hi. It's a walking group, right? Yes, yes.
Oh. And that must be our tour guide.
Yes, the ambassador, local ambassador.
Ambassador. Is he gonna check us in? No.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. I'm Öykü. I am Öykü from Turkey.
Okay.
I'm Mel
Mel, nice
from
to meet you.
Hawaii.
I'm David.
Hi David, yeah, I'm Robert, yeah. Thanks.
You're the ambassador?
Local ambassador.
You're the local ambassador?
I'm a bit hard of hearing.
Me too.
Yeah, okay.
You're Owen.
Owen, Robert Owen, yeah. Oh, I saw him arranging
Robert
this.
Owen.
My girlfriend, she's just getting a coffee, yeah. We're running together.
You live here?
I've been here 3 years.
How many?
3.
And you can show people around? Pretty
I was
good?
doing it within 2 months.
Wow.
And where are you from?
Turkey, the new name. They changed the UN resolution. Turkey.
Turkey.
The old name.
Oh, okay.
The new name is Turkey.
Turkey, okay.
Turkey.
Yeah, Turkey. Yes, this is the new name.
Where does the name Turkey? It's the historic name, is it? Turkey?
I don't know if it's the historic name. It comes from the Turkish people, of course. Turkey. The name Turk, I think, existed for a long time.
Yeah.
And the land of Turks, it's like Thailand.
Yeah.
Actually.
Turkey, yeah. Okay. Okay.
See Thailand on a budget. The land of smiles is here. Follow this day tripper and expect the unexpected. Awkward but entertaining. Gross but delicious. I'll show you Thailand and you can see it too. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free and you'll see all of my videos.
Made in Thailand.
Maybe he wants to give us a ride.
We'll just walk around the bridge.
Yeah,
This is the walking tour, right?
Yeah, it's a walking tour. Is there a bridge?
Do you understand? I wonder if there was something that you
The weather is not bother you or
Here?
yeah,
It's just hot. But
it's hot and
okay.
humid. Yeah, I mean it compared Hawaii, I like better than that.
Yeah.
Because it's good to know you. Yeah.
And what part of Bangkok do you live?
I live in close to Ekamai.
Entomai. Oh, okay.
BTS Ekamai, Prakhanong Ekamai, Sukhumvit line.
Yeah.
Yeah, what about you?
We're staying at Sukhumvit So 11.
11 or around Asok.
Not quite.
Yeah.
Close to Asok.
I'm between Nana and Asok, I think.
Yeah. My first time I've been around this side of the city.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. I have some, you know. But now it's kind of more
Better than swimming.
Oh, a bottle of water's $10.
Better than swimming across.
So he gave me change, but
I just way to go. We're so strong. Yeah, that's true.
I was telling somebody yesterday though, you can't think like that because then you start thinking like that. Like, oh, it's just a 100 baht taxi. That's really only this much. But then in the Thai is getting 20.
I visited this one where we came to the Portuguese. Looks different. No, it's the same one.
Very European style.
Yeah.
Live in the tourist area.
So what is the objective?
Google Map. I've never been to.
Highlight channel, highlight feed for people, feed free food for people.
All those people.
Yeah. Does it mean like maybe they don't have job, maybe homeless, people need some food or help. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What the heck they doing?
Yeah, because it's like Chinese temple over there, maybe charity temple over there. People to feed the food.
That's pretty funny, yeah. You should watch the trailer. It's pretty good. Yeah, just go to YouTube, just watch the trailer. It's like really nice.
She-Hulk?
Yeah, it's called She-Hulk.
Is it like a Marvel?
Yeah, it's an MCU, yeah. But it's just one of the new characters. Yeah, it's in February. And there's a new one that's coming out next year, which is it's called Dungeons and Dragons.
Oh, this is like Halloween.
That one's pretty good. They have a Christmas December. I've never been to
Yeah, I came here to check it out. Because I went to the other one. That one was good for me. And then this she was saying, so I just had a look.
นั่งเครื่องไปแล้วก็ไปลงแล้วถึงไปไอ้นั่นอะอะไรนะเกิดอะไร
No.
2,000 baht.
Yeah.
คือแล้วมัด
เดินเอาดีกว่าปั่นจักรยานนะคนละกันหรือเปล่าเดินเยอะเลยอ่ะ
คุณข้างหลังจบ
But belong to them and still belong to the family. Not belong to the government, but belong to.
You got 15 minutes here.
15 minutes.
There's some shops, arty shops of them, some museum upstairs.
Smart to me over there.
Guest houses.
Okay, so just 15 minutes looking around.
Yeah. Maybe they call Wang Li. Wang Li, this is the name over there. Maybe easy you put in your YouTube or whatever, you know where it's it. Yeah.
บอกเขาทีหนูเพิ่งมาไม่ค่อยเย็นได้ไหม
I need to take out the shoes.
Like this is. That's the view from my apartment. This is when it was